In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member from a Wrike project. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly update your project sharing whenever someone changes roles, leaves a project, or simply no longer needs access. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, and you'll be confident that only the right people can see and edit your work. First, open Wrike and navigate to the specific project you want to update. In this example, we're working with an ad campaign project, but the process is the same for any project or folder. Make sure you're actually inside the correct project workspace before you move on, so you don't accidentally change permissions on the wrong one. Once you're on that project's main page, look towards the top of the screen for the Share option. This is usually located near the project name or in the upper right area of the interface. Go ahead and click on Share. This button controls who has access to the project and what level of access they have. After you click Share, a sharing or access panel will open. Here, you'll see a list of people and possibly user groups who currently have access to this project. Take a moment to review the list so you're sure you're removing the correct person. It's a good habit to double-check names and roles before you make any changes, especially on projects that involve multiple teams. Now find the specific team member you want to remove. There will typically be a control next to their name, such as an access dropdown, a small icon, or a remove option. This is the highlighted area you'll want to focus on. Click on that highlighted control to adjust their access. In this case, you'll either remove their permission entirely or set it so they no longer have access to the project. Once you've removed that person from the project, look for the Save button in the sharing panel. This is important. Changes aren't always applied automatically. After removing the team member, click Save to confirm your updates and make them active. When the changes are saved, the removed team member will no longer see this project in their Wrike workspace, and they won't be able to access its tasks or details. That's all you need to do to remove a team member from a Wrike project.